Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're making this oven baked barbecue chicken wings recipe. It's a simple, flavorful, absolutely delicious recipe. So if you guys are interested to see more of this recipe, keep on watching. To get this recipe started, we're going to use 2 pounds of chicken wings, which is already washed and clean. That's what it looks like. Make sure the chicken wings are dry. We're going to go right in and add 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil onto the chicken. We're going to give that a very nice mix. Then we're going to continue with this oven baked barbecue chicken wings recipe. Once the wings are fully coated into the oil, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sea salt onto the chicken. If you have regular table salt, you can use it as well. We're going to go in with our garlic powder. Next, we're going to add our brown black pepper, which is going to help to balance out the flavor of the seasoning onto the chicken. Next, we're going to go in with our complete seasoning. This is going to add lots of flavor to these beautiful chicken wings. Of course, we're going to add our paprika seasoning, which is going to give the wings that nice bright color. Now we're going to massage the seasoning onto the wings. Make sure the wings are fully coated into the seasoning, just like that. And this is what the wings looks like. We're going to go ahead and place the wings on a baking rack, just like that. In the meantime, we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Now we are going to place these beautiful wings to bake. Once the wings are baked for 15 minutes, that's what it looks like. We are going to brush our barbecue sauce onto these beautiful wings. Then we're going to place them back in the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to show you guys the results of this delicious barbecue chicken wings recipe. It's super simple, it's flavorful and juicy on the outside, a bit crispy on the outside. So you just want to take your brush just like that, brush the barbecue sauce all over the chicken. Make sure the wings are fully coated into the barbecue sauce from front to back. Then, like I said before, we're going to place these beautiful wings back into the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to show you guys the final results of these beautiful wings. So after cooking for another 15 minutes, guys, this is the final results. That's what the wings looks like. Absolutely delicious, juicy. It's a super simple recipe. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye guys.